Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use template in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Filmora application on my PC. And if you want to get template, you need to sign up to Filmora with your Google account and log into Filmora. And as you can see, I have already logged in with my account. And after that, we can go to the Creator Hub right here. And here guys, you will see a lot of templates that you can use for your editing. Okay, and you will be able to use the AI template, but of course it needs credits, so you need to purchase credits from Filmora. And if you want to use the template, you can just select the template that you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can click on use template right here, and then you can replace the videos or photos from the template with your own photos or videos. Okay, and it's still loading guys. Okay, the template is being added to my project, and I'm going to click this option. Okay, and unfortunately I cannot edit the clip or replace the clip, so I can only edit the text. So before you use the template, make sure that the template is editable for video and photo. Yeah, and here we can edit the video according to our needs. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get and use template in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.